Hello there. So far, so good. You did a very good job. You practiced most of the concepts on Oracle Virtual Machine. Now you are going to install ODI on your own machine and you are going to practice the concepts which you could not practice in Oracle Virtual Machine. As far as installation goes, you are going to follow enterprise installation steps. That is the kind of installation done in most of the live projects where you will install the JEE agent, standalone agent, and you will actually have hands-on experience on all the architectural concepts which we discussed during the introduction. Also, once the installation is done, you will do several more projects and then you will get hands-on experience on the concepts which you could not practice in the virtual machine. So welcome back, and journey is still on. Now you are going to practice ODI on your own machine. Good job. Let's continue the great work.